Welcome to our video, Top 8 Must-Have Tools for DIY and Home Projects. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 8. Cordless Drill Pen. This 3.7-volt USB cordless drill is a compact powerhouse designed for precision and versatility. Featuring USB charging, it ensures you never run out of power when working on your DIY projects. The 3-speed settings allow you to adapt to a range of tasks, from micro drilling to intricate engraving. Its lightweight and portable design make it ideal for crafting on the go, whether you're working with wood, jewelry, or even stone. With this mini electric carving pen, you can effortlessly take your creativity to the next level. Number 7. Sun Visor Clip. The car sun visor clip is the perfect solution for organizing your garage door remote or car keychain. It securely fixes your remote control on the sun visor, preventing it from loosening or getting damaged. This clip ensures that your remote is always within easy reach and protected from wear and tear. Designed for universal compatibility, it's a quick installation accessory that saves space and keeps your car interior neat and organized. Number 6. Hinge Drilling Jig. The 35mm Hinge Drilling Jig is an essential tool for anyone working with furniture or cabinets. Made of durable ABS plastic and featuring a sharp alloy rotor, it provides precise and clean drilling for hinge cup holes. The lightweight and portable design make it easy to operate, even for beginners. Whether you're installing new cabinet doors or replacing old hinges, this tool ensures accuracy and efficiency in every project. Number 5. Car Hook Organizer. The Basis Car Hooks Organizer is a clever and practical accessory for your vehicle. This set of 4 adhesive hooks allows you to hang USB cables, headphones, keys, or other small items, keeping your car neat and clutter-free. The hooks are strong, durable, and easy to install, making them a perfect addition for anyone looking to maximize car storage while maintaining a tidy interior. Number 4. Multifunction Tool. The Multifunction Oscillating Tool by ProStormer is a versatile device designed for home decoration and renovation projects. With variable speed settings, it can handle a wide range of tasks, including trimming, sanding, and cutting. Its electric saw capability makes it a valuable tool for tackling challenging DIY projects with ease. Whether you're updating your home decor or working on detailed craftsmanship, this tool is a reliable and efficient solution. Number 3. USB Ambient Light. The car USB Ambient Light adds a touch of personality and ambiance to your vehicle. Featuring DJ RGB lighting, this mini LED lamp syncs with music, creating a colorful and dynamic atmosphere. Compatible with USB interfaces, it's perfect for parties, road trips, or simply enhancing the interior vibe of your car. Compact and easy to install, it's a fun and functional accessory that brings life to any space. Number 2. Woodworking Drill Jig. The 3-in-1 woodworking hole drill is a must-have for precision joinery and DIY enthusiasts. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, it's both durable and lightweight. This positioner guide locator is designed for accurate and consistent drilling, ensuring perfect results every time. Its compact design allows for easy storage and portability, making it a convenient tool for on-the-go woodworking projects. Whether you're crafting furniture or creating custom wood designs, this tool simplifies the process and guarantees professional-grade results. Number 1. Plastic Welding Gun. The plastic welding gun is a powerful and versatile tool for repairing and customizing plastic items. With a 1600-watt hot air blower, it's ideal for tasks like PVC banner welding and car bumper repairs. This hot air gun is built for precision and durability, making it a reliable choice for industrial and DIY applications. Easy to use and highly efficient, it's perfect for anyone looking to achieve high-quality results in plastic welding and repair projects. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.